While going through the President's speech, I ensured that I look into it not as a politician or a member of parliament, but I challenge myself, how can I look at it like an ordinary Fijian sitting at home? No matter how many forums, summits, meetings, and consultations we do, if we continue to neglect the people and turn a blind eye to their voice and needs, there will be no progress, there will be no economic prosperity, there will be no growth and development. When the people are well looked after, the country will prosper and the nation will grow stronger. Again, Honorable Speaker, when the people are well looked after, the country will prosper and the nation will grow stronger.